So in our package we had a 2-meter tripod. This tripod can be extended up to 2 meters long. So if you want to stretch this or adjust this, you just adjust these buttons over here and pull that. Then you adjust it to tighten so that it doesn't become unstable. The other thing that we have here is the 10-inch ring light with the USB connection cable. So this ring light has 3 buttons. You can see we have 3 buttons here. We have the power button here, we have the light down, then there is this one here that is used to switch the modes, and then the one that you use to decrease the light. So before you connect that, we have this here will help you connect your ring light. So we are going to put this on our tripod. Just adjust it. Then now we are going to take our ring light and put it here too. Once tighten up, and now reduce the height so that you can see it clearly. So this is our ring light. Now you should note that this here is adjustable to a lot of angles. You just loosen that, then you can adjust it to any position that you like it to be. If you like to change the direction, if you want it to point downwards, then you'll do that. So if you're using this without the phone holder, you just connect it to power. You can use your USB ports on your PC, or you can use a plug like this one here. So you can use this plug here, plug that in there, connect it to your power, turn it on, and then press the power button here, and then that will work. Now if you want to change the color modes, just press that button that I showed you before. This one has 3 color modes. If you want to reduce the brightness, you can do that, or increase it. Or as you can alternatively connect it to a laptop or any other power source with a USB port. Now for the mobile phone connector, you have this here. So first of all, you're going to put this here. Then now this should be forced in here. Use a bit of energy, push it in there. But before you do that, make sure that you have this. You have this. So put that there and connect it. Push it back and tighten. So you can adjust this also to any position that you like. You can change it if you want to have your phone vertically or horizontally. The positions can be changed easily. You just play around with it, you adjust this and change the position that you want and set it up. Then now you want to place your phone. If it is slightly bigger, because most phones can fit here, you just stretch this. It goes up to 10 centimeters, you stretch it and put your phone in there. The next thing, and I think the last thing that we have, is this Bluetooth button or switch, which uses some battery in here and can accept both Android and iOS. As you can see displayed there, this is for iOS and the other one is for Android. So what you want to do next after doing this is you need to turn it on here, this button here, on and off. Then you see that light. So you need to turn on Bluetooth on your device, and search for another device after turning this on and seeing that this light is blinking like it is. Then now search for it and connect it to some ABS shutter device. Then you can connect it. Once you've connected it, if you have your phone set up and the video ready to play, if you just press any of these buttons, you can either take a photo or record a video. Now there is one last bonus thing that this tripod came with. It came with a level microphone, which is only used for PC. You can tell from these, only used for PC. So this helps you filter the audio so that you don't have too much noise in the background. So I think that's all we have when it comes to this tripod. And if you get yours, I hope you find it easy to connect and use. You're just using the simple steps: plug in, power, play, change the color modes, increase or decrease the brightness. So that's it. Thank you. See you.